My goodness sakes.
这啥叫跟我们 face 不一样？
You're good. That's the.
After
Yeah. 'Cause we still have like 30-ish minutes.
we do Oriental. Ooh, that looks good night.
Ooh. International.
Wait, so grab milk or grab after?
We'll grab it after. We still have like 30 minutes. Yeah, Junction Zala.
Oh, the first 2 days, what did she attend? Actually, the last 2 days are more she attended Bali.
Yeah. Nó khó lỡ. Chỉ bao nhỏ lỡ. Lỡ thì là nhỏ lỡ. Là nhỏ. It's so boring. Okay. I know. That means we'll get a good sunrise. Okay, well we came and we're leaving. Too much wind, starting to rain, and there's no sunrise. It's cloudy as fuck. It's cloudy. It's just all clouds, okay? No sun peeking anywhere. We have 2 minutes. Why is the sun not here? I'm a little puzzled.
Hello. Did you hear party?
No, it's okay. You go first.
No.
Girl.
Get footage though.
Woo.
We didn't see the sunrise. It's too foggy.
Yeah. We just woke up because we early birds.
Next to me if you want.
What?
Next to me if you want.
Be next to you? What do you mean?
Stand next to me.
For what?
There's no reason to be next to each other.
No, the milk's this way.
Oh, the milk. Of course.
You got your milk?
The milk. I forgot about the milk.
Hello. Hola. Good morning. Ooh. It's so tiring. Từ chao bây giờ nào? Najee. No, not that one. Not that one. Don't you look good at video? No. I was recording and they started laughing. Well, there's no food even. Why are people already up? 못 먹겠어. 나게. 됐어. 이거 막아라. 다시. Yeah. Hello. It's 8:34. We are going to buffet first. And then we are gonna go to I remember what it's called, Hudson's, for breakfast because Dara wants to go there. So
We already ate. I already feel full.
Okay, so we don't go to Hudson.
let's just go take photos then.
Wow, guys.
Just kidding.
Let's go take photos. I look great.
Okay.
This is the fit you said.
This is the
And
fit.
what? You said you don't want to go to Hudson?
No, I'm just kidding, babe.
I'm not alive. Every time I come to this church, it's like my brother and my husband team up against me.
No. And your kid now too. Just kidding.
True.
The lift is going up.
Man, you put so much perfume on.
Don't mind
Smell
me.
like orange and chocolate.
Deck 17.
That smells good. Yeah.
I don't like it. Look at this cute baby.
Still like
Bye, cute baby.
not too tan. You got a tan.
I can't wait for Oriental tonight.
I know, me too. I'm excited. There'll probably be last trip. Hello. Hi. Wow. Hi. I know. Mama, ni je table ya kata.
Do not burn yourself, guys. That's awesome. I don't want to because I could go wrong.
Can I eat one?
Yeah, girl, take it. Melly, can you take this one too?
I'm so excited. I need ketchup too.
And your don't want
I know.
in your food.
She was so good, right?
Yeah.
Like, hi guys. Hi guys. She says hi guys. No, she says hi Thai.
Hi, Dai. You dream about me. I dream about you too. I dream about you.
Too much because you don't see her.
Dream about me in your room.
Okay.
You dream about her in your room too?
I do. I dream that you come and talk to me, and I'm like, Che, I'm sleeping.
And you always wake me up when I'm downstairs when she's sleeping.
You always wake me up, girl. You're like, Uncle Bang, I see Elsa. Let it go.
And you always say, Uncle Ben, I'm so hungry.
And then he always wakes me up when I'm asleep.
Yep. And I'm like, Chishi, wake up, girl. We gotta go.
And then he always takes me home.
Yep. I take you home. I'll be like, we gotta go to your mama.
That's all he does. He takes you home.
Can she give you cheese for Uncle too? Cheese. No. Okay.
No. Oh, good morning, G.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Roger, your captain, here from the bridge. I hope that you are enjoying a comfortable day at sea. It was a windy after departure in Cozumel yesterday, and also through the evening and nights. But even though not sunny today, it's at least a nice day here in the Gulf.
Đua, của chả hay trái bên này kìa.
nó này nó cơ rồi và cái tao xem để thầy tao sẽ mặc thầy cái chiếc qua cả thầy đôi rồi cái nó chạy kia
Của chị kìa, chỗ này chỉ tao chỉ sao.
tao tê đi nè
Kẹp phải, Trời, phải. Phải đâu, phải nó lấy phải chứ phải xuống nhá, phải bị ua. Họ bé có France. So we're taking photos today. It's been a long process, y'all. Ooh, bigger. But we're gonna go to indulge by the dock area right there. Not the dock, where it's called? The viewing area there. So we're gonna take photos there. I really hope I can see my boo thing today. See you. Này, yep. Là chỉ mất cho nhỏ chị là ngao là cho khán giả mua lửa xin á. Là ngao đứa đèn. Lời mua ná chỉ cho hắn ná hello. Chị là ngao, một tên. Bye. Ta kì bị chín chín nè ọ. Cái chỉ là cá to được tuần luôn đó. Chín chín đô cho nên. Ô, cụ tụt lú xả. Tụt lú có tôi chỉ có. Tụt lú mua có to cái chín chín có là nè. Bye bye. We're gonna go with this 159. Sana Nuna ko yan na chicken wing. Chicken na ko lu burger like always. Chicken na chi.
Nó hot fry, cái của nó cho tù chỉ kiện viên sơ, nó là sơ.
Dạ cơ. Cô nè tên cô nè yong na.
Của tôi còn mấy bác anh chị của chị.
Dạ cơ. nhớ rằng có tôi nó có chơi và khó là chỉ chấp là có xài thì giờ chi
cái cô
đâu có
còn là gì sắp là cái nhóc của cô tôi chậu của chấm nhộng đâu đâu nó xa
ô lọ ô thì có lo gì cơ mà
chậu lỡ đâu đâu nó xa vô lầu thì chậu lỡ lỡ một thứ gì một đỡ nó xa
ô giờ cái gì ô tuổi cho kia nè
đúng của cha cho tao kia yes
yes
thank you
thank you thank you 이거 진짜 또 짝이나.
진짜 그다음에 원래包路包到包到的来就叫给，我做的老cá，
Cái tụ là cá là. Là. Nó có nói chi na.
nó chicken wing thế, nó fry,
Wow, chỉ cá được thế à?
nó
Cũng nó spicy chili, sweet chili. Cô chỉ tao lúc bật cơ. Ra.
그거
그거. 그럼 이렇게 자. Hello. Tôi thử. Ở đây có là. Nó khó. Mình sẽ một chai, mình chọn chai. Kasha, where are you? Oh, Kasha! Where's Kasha? Mommy, Kasha's gone! Kasha! Kasha, where are you? Kasha! Why is he reacting? Kasha?
She's like, dude, you're out of it.
Kasha? She's still right here, but she's gone, Mama. Where baby Kasha go?
Cái xe bắn.
Kasha, không có dân đó. You can dân là dân cưa. Say please. Say Paul. Girl, I'm talking to you.
Daddy, vậy chị, đó là cái này.
Kasha. Okay, she didn't even care. Kasha? I'm sorry. Love, oh. Let me voice over for you. This meatless kind of. Oh my god.
So that's where I know who you get it from.
It's kind of good. I'm a little shy. What am I thinking of? What's this fish right next to me? Why are he so crusty? Okay.
Oh, they don't know what to
The fucking smell like just kidding. No.
Nom 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 nom
I
nom.
love these.
Take go. Tua. Take go, please. Okay, lock.
One,
Okay, ready?
2, 3, go.
Take go.
I have no arm strength in my left hand.
Okay, can you see her folks? Wait, she did pretty. Cậu ấy chị. Oh, chị bảo. Cậu ấy chị. What are you? What, girl? Have you heard the tea?
Oh, Megan and Tim.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Megan cheated on Kyle with Tim.
Oh my god.
Girl. I feel so bad for Kyle. But you know Kyle cheated with Cindy last month? Oh my gosh, girl. And Cindy got pregnant too. Okay. Because she said, I'm not going to sleep yet. It's not midnight. It's the last night. Last freaking night. They're going to kick us out tomorrow. Kick us out. I don't want to get kicked out.
You're kicking yourself out.
I guess. Here we go.
We finished food at Garden Cafe.
Our last time going to our rooms.
Surfside.
Here's our room. We cleaned it.
Final
Tuh kia. Pada ni ah, tuh kia.
Cleaned it up.
Good job.
Good job, baby.
Yay!
Oh my gosh. My dirty underwears.
Yes.
They're all in my suitcase now.
That's what you miss the most.
I did.
You fall.
Girl, I ain't falling.
It'd be like a good last 4 hours.
It would be. Can you record me?
Just in case.
It is 10:48. I'm about to climb up here for the last time. What? No, I'm recording myself.
Are you gonna fall?
No. I'm not gonna fall.
Fine. Be born.
What?
Be born.
Yeah. Six kisses, only half an hour.
Wait.
We have to leave by 7:30. My alarm is at 5:45. Just kidding. I'm not going to sleep yet. I need to put on my face. So today we woke up to go see the sunrise. There was no sunrise. It was just the sun coming out in the clouds. Then we were supposed to go to Hudson's, but we went to buffet first because if you want to go there, then I want to go find my booting, but I couldn't find my booting. And then Hudson's was closed, so we couldn't go to Hudson's, so we went to the local for breakfast. And it was actually pretty good there. Then what happened afterwards? We just went to go take photos. Me and my mom and them took photos. And then I took some photos of Dirty Pink first, and they kept like coming back and forth. And like switching back and forth. And so we were like, one was coming, one was going. But they found each other. I was with mom and dad for a while, taking photos of them. I filmed 2 dance covers, which was pretty nice. Then I came back to the room, found her and them. Then we went to, actually, me and mom went to the local first to eat because I was hungry. Dad ate at Indulge. Then afterwards, after me and mom ate at the local, I saw Matt. Good night. And then, good night. See you tomorrow. Stay. And then I saw Cuatro Lundell at the local. And I came back to the room. During us, we're all cleaning our stuff, doing home. And then after I saw my Lundell at the local. After I saw my Lundell at the local, I came back to the room and Dara and them were here, so we're just cleaning our stuff. And then afterwards we went to get food at buffet because we had a show, a musical at 6:30. So we went to go eat around 5:30 at the buffet. Ate for like 30 minutes. Then went to the musical. It was decent. It was the Donna musical. Donna somewhere. It's pretty good, but it just was too long. Especially for the last big thing, like, we did not want to spend all our time there. So, my family and I left partway through, except for Mally. Mally stayed through the end, I think. We were pretty close to the end, honestly, but. And then we left. I'm gonna go get more food. I literally went to the Commodore and what's the other one? Commodore and the what? Hudson's to go find this dude to take a photo with him. Okay, couldn't find his ass. He's probably on vacation today. So, I know, it's so annoying. And then we just went back to the buffet and just ate some desserts, ate some more food. And then Mom and them came and joined us because they also went back to the Indulge, but they came upstairs to get some crepes and some fruits. But then we just came to our rooms and we're calling it a night. So it was a chill day today. Not much happened, but tomorrow we're planning on waking up at like 5:45ish, and then, you know, just going back to the cross, back to Wisconsin, because we have shit to do at home. Oh my gosh. But it really flew by here. I didn't feel like we didn't do anything here. But it was pretty nice to not have to do anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, good night. This is the last day of the cruise. I'll record another video going home, so bye. 我的冷漠个不曾有